Okay, hi, how are you today? This is a video review of um, a quick breakfast that you can make in the toaster oven, or I'm going to use an air fryer, or you can use it. This tastes very good if you cook it on a stove, um, you know, skillet or anything you have. This is the Beyond Sausage, and I also have Just Egg. And you can get this. Where did I get this? I got this at Whole Foods, and Whole Foods actually has pretty decent prices on these goods. Very competitive. So I usually shop at Kroger, but I was near Whole Foods yesterday to get something that I wanted, and I saw this stuff. You can see one serving size is 100 calories for 4 servings of containers, and one piece equals 100 calories, just not that bad. 7 grams of protein per serving, 300 milligrams of sodium. I'll let you be the judge of that if that's a lot of sodium, a lot of salt. Pretty low carb, 3 grams of carbs. I'd say that's low carb. Saturated fat, polyunsaturated fat, monosaturated fat. Okay, so I'll have that, and this Beyond Sausage. What's the expiration date? Okay, Beyond Sausage is still pretty low calorie per serving. It shows you uncooked and cooked. I'd have to see if you can eat this raw. But there has to be a reason they would put uncooked calories on there. It's interesting how it's less calories when you cook it, but I assume you wouldn't use grease cooking this, because if you cook it in an air fryer, I cooked it before, a lot of the fat comes out of it. Protein, pretty high protein, 11 grams of protein per serving. That's pretty good. 2 patties is a serving, 3 servings per package. Okay. This sausage is very good. I would say this is the best sausage on the market that's readily available. I've seen it at Walmart, Kroger, and Whole Foods. I'm sure it's at many other places. Oh yeah, I've even seen the Beyond Meatballs at CVS. Okay. Okay, so I've got my toaster oven here. You can see I'm gonna put it on 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the Beyond Sausage in here. I'm also gonna put the Just Egg. You can see the Just Egg comes in a plastic wrapper, and I've also seen them in like a jar, plastic jar form. Those are really good. You can make like a vegan omelet. That style, you do want to put some oil in there. So maybe put some soy milk in it, or some sort of plant milk to make the liquid form more moist as you cook it. But I'm just gonna open these up and put them in the air fryer with the sausage. All right, so there you see it. Still frozen, and I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for 30 minutes, or maybe less. I'll check maybe 5 to 10 minutes in. Okay, it's been about 13 or 14 minutes. I'm gonna check. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's see. Kind of crispy. Okay, just flip them over here. The Just Egg can be a little dry sometimes. Okay, flip them over. The Beyond Sausages. But that's why I prefer the air fryer. It's that nice oven crisp without putting any oil on it. All the oil you see on the pan and on the sausage is from the sausage. Okay? So you have to flip it over for it to cook evenly. So it's been about 13, 14 minutes. I'm going to put it back in the air fryer. Okay, I put it in a little longer. And it looks about done. Kind of dry. I didn't want to put any extra oil on it. I guess I've seen some people on on video recordings, spray the sausage with oil, like in a little sprayer, to not make it too heavy on oil. But it looks pretty good. Alright, here's the finished product. A little dry, so I'm going to use some hot sauce, put some Crystal on it. I would normally eat this with like maybe some jam, like I prefer strawberry jam, or orange marmalade would probably be good on this with some toast. And you put a plant-based butter on it. Or salsa tastes good with the just egg. Like you would eat a real egg. I don't eat them now. It's been a long time since I've eaten a real egg, but I used to like them with salsa or pico de gallo. So let's give it a try.